Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Yoga Mudra Oracle, Transformative Spiritual Power in Your Hands. Includes a 44 card deck and a 128-page illustrated book by Emma Wertheim. Hopefully I'm saying that name correctly. I do apologize if I am not. This retails for $24.99 in the US, and it is published by Sirius Acturus Publishing Limited, London. Thank you so much for Sirius for sending this my way. I am very excited to get into it. You are invited to explore the hidden dimensions of who you are through the hand gestures of the ancient practice of yoga. These mudras will unlock your deepest truths, opening a portal to subtle worlds of healing, vibration, and energy. Each Yoga Mudra Oracle card offers one simple sacred hand posture from this timeless yogic tradition, along with guidance that taps deep into the essence of each pose. These yoga postures for the hands redirect, shape, and seal the flow of pranic energy within the body and can unite us with cosmic intelligence. They help us manifest change on a physical and spiritual level and can be used safely by anyone at any time. The 44 cards combine mudra poses with sacred geometry, healing hues, and hidden realms. The accompanying guidebook will take you on a journey into the esoteric knowledge of the ancients. Seek its counsel if you wish to foster a deeper connection to your spirit through your hands. All right, pretty packaging. We have a ribbon. Here's the guidebook and the cards. Oh, fun. Okay. Really pretty. Before we get into the cards, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook here. Color printed. We do have a nice table of contents. So introduction, and then it goes into the card meanings, and then about the author and artist. Information about mudras. Gives you information on how to prepare your hands for them. By activating each card's guidance, you allow the mudras to manifest, flowing into your everyday life, helping your heartfelt truths become a reality. You don't need to sit on a mountaintop in an isolated cave or attend a sweaty 120-minute Bikram yoga class. You may be sitting in your car, at traffic lights, watching television, or standing in a crowded shopping mall when you take a mudra pose and change your day for the better. Mudras should not replace medical advice or expertise. They work best as supplementary support for your healing journey. Gives you how long do I hold the mudra for? If it doesn't resonate with you, what if my hands can't make the shapes? Awesome. Okay, so each card includes a title, subtitle, or a one-line summary of the guidance, key themes, a main message, a mudra, and an affirmation. Very cool. Lots of information here. I love that. We do have layouts too. So we have one card for quick guidance, 2 card spread, 3 card, and a 5 card. Chakras. And then we go into the meanings. Everything is color printed. I love to see that. I'm going to open this. We'll be right back. All right, here's the back of the deck. They're a matte, and they're a smaller size. They are on the thinner cardstock. And I wouldn't even call it a medium. It is thinner. It's snapping back, but it is still that flexible. It's taking a while for it to get back to its shape. So not terrible. It's not paper thin, but it is thinner. Okay, here we go. I like the art style a lot. Very easy to understand how to place your hands. sword in the background. It's an elephant. Nice. Got an owl. I like the energy points. Another owl, a couple owls. Little chakra lights, colors. Ooh, moon phases. Looks like healing. They're flowers. This is really interesting. Some of these I have seen before and I have used, and others are very brand new. I have one other mudra deck that is in my collection, but it is set up differently than this. I really like the art style. I really love the colors. It's vibrant without being distracting. I like that it's incorporating a lot of different elements to help you intuitively. I'm excited to get into the guidebook. Okay, let's see how it shuffles. I like the size of it. Oh yeah, okay. It still shuffles just fine. Okay, let's do overhand. All right, yeah, not an issue. I am not having an issue shuffling either way. Okay, let's get a card to read, please. Okay, Kali Mudra. All right, so it breaks things down to what it's for. So for the Kali Mudra, it dissolves illusion. So we're going to hit number 70. In the guidebook, we have the color printed out card artwork, and it says dissolve illusion. Kali is a Hindu goddess who governs time. Black goddess Mudra pursues the highest truth and removes darkness, groundedness, intuition, wisdom, inner fortitude, and security. I love that. So we have that information already. Kali is a Hindu goddess who rules the fullness of time. She protects the innocent and destroys evil. Her fierce feminine energy is a manifestation of Shakti, the mother of all living beings. She visits your reading today to let you know your suffering is being creatively transformed. Alchemy is occurring within your very cells, even if you feel stuck. Understand the cosmic law of three, which applies to all phenomena on all scales, micro and macro. For every affirming force, there is an opposition or denial. The reconciling or third force breaks the deadlock and allows for the birth of something new. This mudra helps you transition from doubt and fear to love and understanding. You will find your feet and foundation as this process reveals itself. Kali's energy renews your faith and shows you a bigger picture. You will understand why your life hasn't been easy or straightforward. Looking back now with clarity, you perceive an intelligence at play. Know the beings of light have your best interests at heart. They work for you and your greater good. You are supported and loved. Then we have the mudra, which says, bring both hands to your heart chakra. Interlock your little middle and index fingers, ensuring that your right little finger is on the outside. Your ring fingers point upwards with both pads touching. Cross your left thumb over your right. Lift your elbows so your forearms are parallel to the ground. Please note, this is an intermediate mudra posture. And then we have an affirmation down below. With grace and hope, I await the dissolving of illusion in sacred surrender to the unknown. I allow for a reality bathed in the sweetest vibration of love to open before me. Well, all right. I think this is really creative. I think this is very informative. You can definitely use this as just a oracle, or you can take the teachings of this and apply it physically to what you need in form of meditation or whenever, just like they talked about earlier. I love the way that this is very accessible to understand, especially if you didn't already know about mudras or how they can be helpful. And I love how efficient everything is set up. So definitely really cool to kind of come in the table of contents here, kind of find what you need and go to that page directly or that card. So like I said, definitely really cool for divination purposes or for meditation purposes. You can use it shuffling it, or you can actually pick out the exact card that you need for the purpose that you need that time in that moment. The quality is fine as far as the cardstock goes. The book, wonderful. Well done. I'm not mad at the cardstock. It's not an issue for me personally, but I just know some people are very particular about their cardstock. That's why I bring it up, that it is thin and very flexible. But again, it's not paper thin at all. And you can use this easily to shuffle, or if you were using them as flashcards, that sort of a thing. It's a great size. I am not, is of no criticism of me at this point. The art is beautiful. I love the colors. I really have nothing to complain about. I think it's very cool, very pretty, and set up very well. So I am very excited to use this and get to know it a little bit better. And now I would love to know what you guys think about it. Is this something you're excited about? Have you heard of this before, or is this brand new to you? What are your thoughts? Let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you so much to Sirius for sending this my way. Thank you for, finding me, and thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.